Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing and review. So I have to tell you guys, Boxycharm sent over an email to a lot of YouTubers that they are gifting the product to and saying that hold off on uploading until the 8th. I'm not 100% sure why they want that happening, but I'm going to follow their wishes because I know you guys like seeing these videos and I don't want to get kicked off their list. If you're wondering why it's a little late this month, that's why. Just a little heads up about that. Moving on, the weight of this box, dun dun dun, I know it's super important to a lot of people. It is 0.95 pounds. I don't know why, but I think this is really cool and I'm sure it'll have mixed reviews. But it is from PYT Beauty and it's just a little mini hair straightener. Who doesn't want a mini hair straightener? This retails for $75. Let me tell you, I'm going to love this for the summer months because my hair gets so frizzy. It looks like I stuck my finger in a socket. So I think it's going to be real cool when I'm on the boat and I'm straightening my hair like a bad bitch, like, hey, I'm so fancy. No, I'm not fancy, but that's how I'll feel when I'm using this. I think that's so cool. I could keep it in my purse. I'm pretty excited about it. Or even if I'm like out tailgating a game or something, I can plug it into the car, fix my hair up, try not to look wasted, you know, try to keep it looking good. You're on the go, I think it'll be great. I'm into it, I feel good about it. Next up, we have the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Retails for $30. I'm gonna tell you guys, brutally honest, I have used Cosmetics. I think I have a video down below. I'll look and try to like link it up here or something. I think that's what you're supposed to do, like link it. I don't know. But I have worked with these guys before and they make awesome products. I think what I used before, oh, I remember. I used an exfoliator from them and I used a like gel peel off mask and I freaking loved it. I also have I think I have a spot treatment that worked really well for me. So I think this is great product and I think you guys are gonna love it. If you've never tried this brand, I think you're gonna be really happy with the results with it. It's a really good product. Then from Pretty Vulgar, they have, oh, how cute is that little puppy? I mean, I never use puppies, but I feel like this will be very aesthetic for product shots. So I'll probably just keep that just for pictures, but they sent over their setting mask, or no, setting mask. They sent setting powder in it. And for that, it is $32. I haven't used this, but I'll probably use it in a next video as my setting powder. I love setting powders, and my true test if I like a setting powder is if it leaves my skin dry and patchy because I have very dry skin. So that will be the true test for me for this guy. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. I actually have this and I don't know where I put it. Next up in the box, they have the Tarte Glitter Paint, and this is called Insta Famous, and this is the lip paint. So here's the one in my box. It's got some glitter to it. I really like this color. Last one is the Bodyography Lip Pencil, and this is like a brown nudie. It's like a brown nude color. It's right here. And you know what? I have been struggling with finding the perfect brown nude liner. I used to have one from Boxycharm and I can't seem to find it anymore. I have to go through my stuff. I feel like there might be a baby who might have stole it from me and now I can't find it. So let me just see. I'm actually really digging it with this lipstick. Oh, this looks really good with this lipstick. I'm actually wearing right now, if you guys want to, oh, there it goes. The lipstick I'm wearing right now is White Russian by Boxycharm, which is one of my favorite colors. It comes in gloss, matte, and just regular lipstick. So I think that looks really cute. But yeah, I think, and I don't know, I'm probably going to get told I'm crazy. I think this is my favorite box out of them all. I'm really happy with it. I think the straightener is just, I think the straightener is awesome. I think that was the best idea yet. I'm excited they did the straightener because there has been so many palettes coming out right now with the holidays and stuff. So it's nice to just not get a palette and get something else that was like kind of awesome. So I'm into it. I love it. I feel good about it. What do you guys think about this box this month? Let a girl know. I love you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, the like, the thumbs down, whatever. It doesn't even matter. And let me know what else you guys want to see.